Hello, everybody. Happy Thursday. If you lived in Vancouver, you would say it's not a very happy Thursday. It is a disgusting Thursday here. It is pouring. Like, I actually think there might be cats and dogs falling from the sky. So, I'm a happy camper because look what arrived today. Woo woo, paper pumpkin. And I am going to play with it. There's nobody on with me because I gave no warning. But you know what? I don't care. I'm going live just because I can today. What do we got? We've got some terracotta tile. Hello, Chris. And we have got our new stamp set. Let's see it. Okay, what does it say? Oh, I heard this was a sentiment stamp set, so this is awesome. Hi, Susan. Hi, Kim. Oh, Kim, I'll see you soon. So we have got love you lots. Thank you. Good luck. Congrats. Happy birthday. Let's celebrate. Mr. and Mrs. Feel better soon. So very sorry just because. Hey, friend, it's your day and you're the best. Hi, everyone. So I have had no sneak peeks of this set. Okay, terracotta tile. So I'm just going to grab my terracotta tile. I'm not going to open that up. And I'm going to play because I have no idea what's in here or what it looks like. I avoided sneak peeks. I know, Sharon, I don't think we're actually coming up tomorrow after school like we were supposed to. I think we're waiting till Saturday morning because of how bad the highway is supposed to be. You ready, people? Look. Woo woo. Super excited. This is exactly what I need right now. I needed any kind of general occasions cards. So... Oh, hello, Marsha. I do have extras of this kit. So if this is you and you're in the same boat as me and you live in Canada, I can absolutely send this out to you. I think I've got 5 extra sets of this kit. Okay. So let's have a look. I love the fact that you have every sentiment and that they're big. Yes, this is not froofy little tiny sentiments. We got some good chunky sentiments going on there. Okay, so we have got regular size dimensionals. We've got some really pretty colored rhinestones. Fun, 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 fun. We have envelopes and they've all got the cute little, like a designer series paper to the flap. I know, Sandy. Isn't it gorgeous? Okay, so we've got the envelopes. We're going to put those off to the side because, we don't have to make those. We've got some, are they stickers? They are stickers. So we've got some gold foil stickers. Are these all the same? We're checking. Yep, all of them are the same. All 4 sheets, okay? I'm assuming there's probably one per card, like in terms of one design. Ooh, we got all kinds of stuff here. We've got some card bases. So I'm going to take one of this one. And I'm going to take one of this one. And I'm going to take one of this one. Okay, so we're gonna do them all tonight because I want to see what it's like. How much is paper pumpkin? Well, paper pumpkin is $30. Basically, I think it's just a little bit over 30 when it comes to your door. I can ship it to anywhere in Canada, and it generally costs me about, I think, just under $5 to ship it if I don't ship it in the box. I kind of stick it into an envelope and kind of make it work that way. So I can do that for anyone, but if you want the box, it's actually parcel shipping costs, okay? So on here, we've got 2 sheets of these, but I can pretty much guarantee that I'm not going to need 2 sheets of them. Hello, Annette. There's Denise. Okay, we're going to pull out this and pull out this. Oh, I feel like I'm going to sneeze. I'm going to pull out one of these. Ta-da. I had my staff Christmas party after school, and then I've got club tonight, so I came home, a sticker sheet. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay, let's hope that's all we need. We'll try. Okay, now, did anyone see what I did with the instructions? I'm really bad for that. There were instructions. They would have been, I know where they are. Okay, you ready? Thank you, Angie. Okay, when you say that you don't have an instruction sheet, check this. You would like? Yes, I absolutely can. No problem, honey. Okay, sorry, that was Mary I was talking to. Okay, so I've got my little instruction sheet. You can check it out here. Now, they do kind of give you, it says stamp sentiments. So for me, what am I needing right now? I need a bunch of thank yous. I need a bunch of happy birthdays. I need a bunch of congratulations. Like I need everything right now. So I think I'm going to use these. And I think I'm going to do some congratulations. Okay, so where are they? We're going to stick to congratulations as my sentiment. Yes, I know. Look at us. A ton of stickers. I'm going to go with congratulations because I have a ton of team anniversaries coming up in January. And you'd be like, what do you mean team anniversaries? So people who've joined my West Coast Creators team over the years, but I have a ton of anniversaries, and it's because over the years, so many people sign up during celebration because it's like kick buns kind of deal time. Okay, peeps. So we're going, if I can get it open. Whew. Congratulations. Now, I don't mind stamping white with my black border background behind. I have a hard time stamping white on white. Okay, so I'm inking this up. And then we're going to come on here. Oh, you got a little bit of curve. Now I'm going to just do this because if it's curved, I know touch the paper before the stamp touches it, kind of thing, and it'll drive me nuts. So we're going to go like this, come up. We're going to go, congratulations. Now if you screw it up, you don't stress because we have a 10 more, okay? So there's 1. Thank you, Debbie. I feel like, I don't know if I said that. I'm always losing my mind. 2. Okay. And do 1 more. 3. There we go. We got them all. Okay. Holding my breath while I stamp so that I don't schlep it. Okay, we can close. I think we can close this up. Yes, we can. Okay, next thing we have got. So we're going to put you guys off to the side. And I'll share just one more day, then cards. Sandy knows. I'm like on my countdown. It is so almost card time. Okay, so this one, I'm going to jump in. I can tell that on this one, we went in. We're going to put on that super cute sticker onto that gorgeous background. Love it. And I love stickers because it means no work. And it's the Thursday of the day before the children get out for Christmas holidays. And it has been a week of peeling people off the ceiling. Oh my God, they're so cute, but they're jacked right now, you guys. Okay, so now your only issue here. Okay, so this is, I always like to point out to you things that I'm struggling with. I don't want to pull this because I'm scared of ripping it because it's got some pretty fine details, okay? So I'm going to urge you to take your time. I haven't ripped any. I'm not saying that they rip. I'm just going to urge you to take your time getting your stickers off, especially with this one because he is quite... Oh, and I just realized I took off the wrong one. No, I didn't. I did. I got the right one. Okay. Now it's stuck to my finger. You love the gold foil stickers. Oh, you did not miss the live, Chris. We're all good. Okay, so this one we're going to take and we're going to kind of put him on a diagonal. Okay. Ta-da! Grab a congratulate. Lisa, how are you? I miss you. Okay. Now we're going to grab my sheet of dimensionals here because I'm going to use them up. It would drive me batty. I hate having multiple sheets going. Okay. Yours hasn't arrived yet? Mine, I got home and they were here. Okay. Love it. Adorable. Is that the right? Oh, no, that's the wrong one. Don't do that one. This one goes on here. You have to pay attention, people. You think Paper Pumpkin might be better received by you than before. Oh, yeah. Jacqueline, honestly, they've come so far with them. I look back at like kind of what Paper Pumpkin was when I signed up for it years ago. First off, everybody thought that it had to do with Halloween. And they were like, well, why would I need a Halloween kit every month? And I think it's because it had the word pumpkin in it. But that's nothing to do. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to stick the rhinestones on at the end, so I'm not going to put them on yet. Okay, let's do this guy. Ta-da! You're off next week? Nice. Good. You need some playtime. Okay, so here, again, I'm just making sure that I'm kind of grabbing the bits because I want the bits to stay behind on the paper. I don't really want to take the bits with me. Off you go, bits. Okay, some bits are coming up. I'm going to just get through 2 days in a row. I know. Well, Sean's like, wasn't last night Wednesday? And I'm like, yeah, but my Paper Pumpkin came. And he's like, okay, off you go. Must do a Paper Pumpkin live. Now, you can keep these, you guys, your gold sheets, because you can punch away, right? Like, take a little punch and punch out some cute little stuff with it. Okay, so on this one, we're taking our thank you, and we're going to stick our cute little, whoa, don't do that, swirly down, yes. You think of cuddly with a pumpkin. Okay, ta-da. Now we're going to go back to the sticker sheet, and it looks like what we're going to do is we are going to grab you. Okay, so this is where I get a little bit, I got to get a little bit crazy. So here, I'm going to stick some dimensionals on it because I'm going to poof them up a bit, people. When in doubt, pop it up. You're not a Halloween person? Yeah, I never was a Halloween person, and yet I love like the cute Halloween stuff we get. I'm like, oh, that's adorable. Not really a big Halloween celebrator. Okay, so here, again, I'm popping these up. I think that they look adorable popped up. I want some more dimension. Okay, now we've got quite a few of these, so we're going to come up. And then I'm going to grab, I don't want to do two of the same. So then maybe I'll come over here and I'll grab this one. And then I tuck you, and I'm going to let this guy stick down low. And then we've got a couple more popping out over on this side. So I think I'll do you. Then I'm going to steal this one. And this one's going to get it dimensional. The flower reminds, I know, doesn't it? Annette, I was actually thinking the exact same thing. Okay, here we go. Stick them on there. I got dimensional backings everywhere. Okay, tuck you in there. Oops, not underneath. That's not going to work because he was supposed to be down. Ooh, I'm making a mess. Oh, and I bent it. Don't do that. Hang on. Don't do as I do. Do as I say. Peel him up very slowly. Glue his friend down. Good. Make sure he's back down. I got a little bit. There we go. And push him. There we go. All good. Everything is recovered. We're saved. Okay, now they do have a few of these on, so we're going to come up here. And then we're going to come and do another one. I don't want it to line up, so I'm going to try and get it down a little bit. And then we're going to do another one down here. And then this one gets the one I already did. You might have to pull. Yes. See, there you go. When you start to run out, you just grab some more. Now this one, we're going to stick right over top. We're going to do all of our rhinestones at the end. This is my kind of kit right now. This is like a get her done kind of kit. You're the day after mine? Oh, yes. Yeah, absolutely. So when I'm up at the lake, I'm always a day longer too, Arlene, because mine goes to Kamloops and then I get it. I fully get it, girl. I get the same thing. Okay, so this one we're going to go and peel off this sticker sheet. Okay, we're going to go like this. Make sure he's straight. So I use that edge to kind of give me my alignment. Okay, now we're going to jump in. As I said, you guys, I have got five more of these, I think. Okay, so if anyone missed ordering their paper pumpkin and is like, oh, I want it, it's adorable, I've got it. You like the green stripe? I know I'm assuming she meant you liked. You're not lying to the green stripes. Lying to the green stripes isn't nice, Janice. That's okay. Do you ever put that? The number of times I say that I live something instead of I love something. My fat fingers can't get the keys right. Okay, so this one, we're gonna let it kind of hang off a little. I've got little gold bits stuck to my fingers. Don't leave your gold bits stuck to your fingers, people. It looks weird. Okay. I still have gold bits stuck to my fingers. I can't get them off. Put on a couple of these. And I said to my husband, we're waiting on one stupid Christmas present that was ordered like forever ago and was supposed to be here and is not. And then we're leaving for the lake. So he went out and actually just bought it in a store today. So I'm convinced it will now arrive today. Does anyone else ever have that? Oh, you guys, these are perfect. This is like a perfect knock 'em off card set. Okay, so I'm going to bust into my rhinestones. Now these remind me of the champagne ones that we have. Sorry, I'm just making sure I stuck my bits down. Stick your bits down, people. Focus on the bits. Give them a good push. There we go. Okay, so on here. Now, we've got 3 sizes. Do we have 3 or do we have 2? I can't tell. My eyes are going cross-eyed. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to give him... I don't have my take a pick tool. Well, I do. It's on the table because I've got class tonight. So I'm not messing with my table setup because everything is ready for class. Whoop, steal that one. You're hoping your kid arrives. Oh yeah. See, there you go. You're gonna need something else to focus on. Yeah. I'm hoping it's not as long as what she already has had to go through the other day. Okay, so there's our cute congratulations card. And as I told you guys, we've got all those envelopes. Just a second. Where did I put them? Okay, so that one. Sorry, congratulations. All done. Yes. 1 card. Check. Now we have got this congratulations card because I told you guys I went all congratulations, but you can do whatever you choose, right? So this one, I always do my first kit exactly as it shows it on the sheet. What is paper? Chris, really? Fun. Okay, so I get to tell Chris. Paper Pumpkin's a monthly subscription. So it comes from Stampin' Up! Once a month. Bills on the 10th or the 11th of the month always kind of arrives around this date. Maybe a couple days earlier. It was a little bit late. Comes in this super cute red box. You open it up. Inside, for example, this card kit had everything we need. And I think it's 12 cards. Yep, everything we need to make 12 cards. including it comes with its own ink spot. So in case you didn't own this color at home, you've got your own ink spot, and you have got your own stamp set. Comes in every kit. And when you order your first kit, I think they still do, they came with a clear block so that you're set to go and you can kind of make all your cards. But they come with everything you need. So for example, if you need dimensionals for a kit, it comes with dimensionals. If you need glue dots for a kit, it comes with glue dots. So like all your bits are there. Now, we're going to check this one. Does anyone see? I'm trying to see. Oh, I do. I see rhinestones. Okay. So there are rhinestones on this one. I'm going to move them. So Chris, if you live in Canada, I am happy to set you up. You can go on a month-to-month basis, or you can actually purchase prepaid subscriptions, which are amazing. And during celebration, we can actually get you a subscription and you earn celebration rewards for it, which is even better. Okay, so go in here. Oh, you know Chris. Oh, good. Chris, are you one of Lisa's friends? Lisa can hook you up. Lisa will get you going on Paper Pumpkin. Okay, here we go. And pop that up there. Ta-da. There we go, people. Okay, so this is this month's kit. We have got all the bits, yes. So we've got 12 cards. You're going to get 4 congratulations card, not 4 congratulations, but 4 of this green card, 4 of the floral card, and then 4 of this one as well. And you've got all your coordinating envelopes, but you're set to go. And your cards do not all need to be congratulations cards. What are celebration points? Oh, okay, so Mary Jane's like, ooh, celebration, fun, fun, fun. So starting January 3rd, Mary Jane is Celebration. And it's like sale, not celebrate, but Celebration. So S-A-L-E. And with every $60 you purchase during Celebration, you actually earn free items from a Celebration catalog. You're on my list, Mary Jane, you should get them, okay? So they're coming to you. Jamie, yours wasn't here. Did you, I don't see one here. There was nothing with your name on it today. So track yours and tell me when it's coming so we know. Anyway, but you don't have to use all congratulations on these. You do earn free rewards on all your purchases of 60 or more. So what I would do, Mary Jane, is if you wanted to purchase like a prepaid subscription, if you're going month to month, you can't earn celebration rewards. But if you're doing a prepaid on a 3-month or a 6-month or a 12-month, you actually earn free celebration rewards, okay? Now, it does have super cute little flowers that you could go in if you wanted, and you could add a little bit of stamping on here, or for some people, they really prefer to kind of add them maybe to their envelopes, yes? But look at how cute this envelope is for all of them. Ta-da, ta-da. Anyway, this is awesome because it will help me be prepared and ready to go for what I have coming up this month. Same thing, you can hit up those birthday cards, get them done, people. Lise, remember, we'll just set you up a hostess code, right? Okay, there you go, my loves. I hope you enjoyed and that you have a fabulous evening. And remember, I do have 5 of these here. If anyone missed out on this, you can't order this one anymore from Stampin' Up. That's it. But if you missed it and you would like one and you're in Canada, drop me a line and let me know, and I will put one aside for you and we'll get it in the mail. Bye, guys.